Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to show you how you can put your animated character on the screen in the UI. This is really useful for if you want to have a character customizer or you just simply want to show off what happens when you add or remove certain items in game and see what it looks like on your character. First of all, let's just add a canvas layer. This is what's going to display our UI. And what we're going to need in here is subviewport container. It's going to tell us here that we need a subviewport as a child. This is going to render a completely different scene, and then we'll get to that in a second. So let's go ahead and put a subviewport in here. Alright, that's pretty ugly. We can see that it's rendering this nice gray background. And if I play the game now, this is not what we want, obviously. So what we'll do is we'll just resize this to our game reference resolution. So now it fits within the screen perfectly. And then what I will do is I'll move my avatar into here. And then I'm also going to add a camera, 2D camera. This is important because this is what's going to effectively render these objects in our scene. And let's just move our guy over so you can see this here. He's actually fully animated. We're just gonna show you rendering him in the top left corner there. And let's go ahead while we're at it and go to the subviewport, enable transparent background. Now view the game. He's all weirdly positioned, but he's on screen and animated. So how do we fix that? Let's head over to our camera. It's not, sorry, anchor mode. Let's do fix to the top left. That's nice. It's perfectly rendered in the top left corner. You'll notice that the scale is not the same as the game. That's simply because we have a different zoom on our game camera. So let's just go ahead and make this 2. That's going to make it a lot bigger. There we go. Beautiful.